Yum! I love bagel and cheeseburgers. Look! It's Burger! Smells amazing. Welcome to Oliver and Lucas. Today, we're going to teach you how to make burgers at Australia's favourite burger place, Burger World! Ready, Lucas? It's going to be burgers. This is our chef, Mickey, and he's going to be teaching us how to make burgers.
How are you?
Good.
Here's your boys. Just for you. And that's for you.
We're now going into the kitchen where all the magic happens and the best burgers are made. These are all the fresh, healthy ingredients that make their burgers delicious. Mickey is putting on gloves before he prepares the food to make sure no bad bacteria can contaminate the food.
This is a grill. This is so hot, so don't touch it. So just be careful. Yeah? Got it?
Yeah.
Give me a high five. What burger you want?
A cheeseburger.
Oh, yeah, alright. So, we're going to start making a burger for you.
Whoa.
Just give me some salt and pepper. And then put in the toaster.
How do you change the color of the bun?
Change the color of the bun.
Yeah.
You want this? You need
Yeah,
this.
like
Yeah,
that.
that's just a color.
Do you like dye it?
Yeah. You see that?
Yeah.
It's such beautiful, like people love it.
So yeah.
We have one more black one.
Had a burger here and they're amazing with the white one.
Red bun, black bun, black bun, red bun.
Do they have different tastes?
No, this is the same.
I'll have this one, I'm gonna have this one. He's cutting it, let's see if the thread is. Look, he's making the burger. I want to keep watching. Is that fine? Oh yeah. He changed color the patty. I know. Chicken burger. Oh!
Your fries?
Fries?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
I'll have water.
So?
What is that for?
Just chips and fries. This is hot oil.
Oh,
Oil, yeah. You're gonna fry your chips.
I thought they put it in the oven.
No. We do, but here we use the hot oil. So you can fry it. Yeah.
Yep. I think it got smaller. Is it? No, it's because it's a baby. No, it got smaller. Baby. Do you have your mom? Yes. I think he's so fast at it.
Nice. Careful.
Can I have a try? We need to burn this side.
Yep.
Nice. It smells like a hot dog.
Yeah.
And that's all of his burger. And Bob's your uncle, a delicious cheeseburger. Cheesy. Wait, so that's cheese?
Cheese, yeah, cheesy fries.
I thought it was mayo. is cheese. It's melted cheese. Whoa. Chicken. Look. That's the chicken that I want. Yeah. Oh, you have to have chicken.
Let me try cheeseburger.
I love pepper. Avocado, I love avocado too. This is a vegetarian burger.
There's a chicken burger.
Oh, an omnivore burger.
Yeah.
Like the wicked wings. Cheese. It's a cheesy chicken. Cheesy chicken burger. How are you going to fit that bun on? I don't know. It looks so good. Is that water too, or is it oil? Oil. I'll flip that.
You want to flip this? Just be careful, huh? Do you have? Nice. Oh. You're going to be a chef now.
Yay. Would you go to be a chef? I don't want the cheese inside.
I think it's done now.
Whoa. Ready. Thank you. Let's see how you do.
Yeah. Nice.
Z. On flip the button. No. Bye. Stop it. You're losing. I'm not losing. I'm losing. The thing, the bun, the squeeze, the ultimate red burger. Fuck. A flag. The first one to put my flag in this burger. Can I have the sauce?
Yeah, sure.
You do zigzag, Z for zebra. Okay, I think that's enough. And hamburger. You
There you go.
like your flag today. Done. Look, this delicious burger. Lucas is so proud that he made his own burger, and now he can't wait to eat it. Now, we're about to take the first bite into Melbourne's best burgers. It's so good. It looks so good from this red. It's amazing. And it has double cheese.
How was the burger, boys?
Amazing.
Thank you.
The hamburgers were delicious. Last bite. We hope you like our video about hamburgers. Hope we get 1 million subscribers. You say bye. Bye. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make burgers today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos for kids. See you next time. Bye. Bye.